wonderful young man. But he has been threatened by the devil.
Say what you just say. Say it.
Take this man to be your lawful husband in sick and death.
Gear, transmission, or straight.
Come here, follow behind you.
You don't know, say TheDuttyBerry. Yeah, man. Baddest artist in Jamaica. Yo! Ready, welcome to the social media countdown. Yeah, so we're having a Batchman countdown. Go and relax and cock up your foot. You go and get some nice mix up for make you dance and broke your whoa. Yeah, countdown time. It up to date. I know lime tree lit. Well, all right, burritos, you got the hang of it. Like, Alexa, stop. Level with Alexa. Boy, Alexa, you're cooperating at them type of mockings, you know, you like, I'm gonna talk to you like this. Oh, Lord. Basketball, this is TheDuttyBerry. Welcome to another Monday social media countdown. Yeah, man, we have the 10 topics them ready for Unino, so just sit back and get ready to be entertained. Okay, all right, let's get into the countdown with a big bad song.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama where you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, Tanaania in Egypt. Me influencer. All right, burritos know. So recently, Tanaania took to Egypt and she took us all on the adventure. No, me not even know about the Turkish flight and say the 13 hours and all of these things, but I was definitely here for the fastness. Me like to see when influencers can go in spaces and situations that I have not been personally, because, you know, me just love to know and information, you know, you cannot have too much of that, right? And so, Tanaania, she took us on a journey. I would see all of her girl fashion and everything. I would see the adventures, but I was just like, you see the balloon show? The balloon show was just like, mwah, 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 chef kiss. I just love that. And then when she go out and go see the pyramids them, I was just like, wow. I can only imagine what a sight and a beauty it was to behold. But you see the little extra fast part of me was just like, nah, man. Tanaania, if she editor, I think it's her editor, did a work overtime for blur out her base face. I didn't like how Tanaania just up there like a general. Like all she did it with her boo, with her boyfriend, and the man I say, yeah, man, we're upon a vacation relationship. Tanaania was just there like, yeah, man, I just stay at my bestie. We just stay, we just kick it. I don't know that what a person I be like, I'm birthday, but we're not really business, you know, we just a roll, we just a talk. We're not really the panel like a mushing. But the man, they definitely want to own up Tanaania, and Tanaania, they keep it like a real G. She a panel like, yeah, man, I can tell some my girl, you know, like she not have luck when it come on to love. So this is how a woman behave now. She not really go in too early. She watch and see how the game go show or play out. But the blurring. But me go give it Tanaania, no put the man on the channel. Because I see where them go on with Tifa when she did have her boyfriend and use emoji and cover up him face and them use AI for remove the blur. And me no put them people up on social media, like me no put that past them. So I was kind of careful because I'm sure some of them get out here all mark the man knee cup. Because I'm did that show, I show them all mark him knee cup and him slippers and he head back. Okay? So let's be careful, but thank you for taking us all on that journey. Number 9, pickpocket story. Me thief. All right, no, not my thief. I found a thief. Like, come on, Jamaican people. We make us a thief. You know the thing will hurt me, you know, man, like Jesus pin, point of information. Lord, where's my AC? Jesus Christ, I keep on forget, so I actually have little things. Hold on. But now, Steve never asked Alexa to turn on the AC. All right, that's it. That was a little intermission phone upon the countdown. Yeah, man, we're there for kind of get things cool because I'm feeling very cool today. All right, now, so one thing we don't like is a thief. I do not like thief. And you see the type of thief I hate the most is a thief where actually thief from poor people. Average people that try for, like, I remember somebody like the thief from one lady where she was a living helper. Like, oh, you see the woman like get her minimum wage and you go look on a woman like that and rob her and go and feel good in yourself? Come on, man, bad to bad if you're a thief. Me not tell you if you thief, but if you're a thief, man, thief with like a conscience, man. Yeah, I feel big, yeah, round up some little primary school pin. Anyway, before we go off on a tangent. So this lady was in Half a Tree recently, and she was robbed of 4,000 Jamaican dollars, right? And she said that this $4,000 was the difference between her being able to provide for her child. Take a listen.
Just got picked at Halfway Tree, my last $4,000 to pay for my daughter lunch money and her aftercare fee.
I'm 4,000, I'm going to pay for me aftercare and pay that lunch money. Then TV people, this boy going to walk and pick me. I get me up, I'm going to go to Western Union because somebody sorry for me, I'm going to go to Western Union. Look at it, I'm sure somebody just sorry for me and tell me $50, right? Because I'm low up on money, I'm beg somebody the money so I can able to pay for me with lunch money and so I'm low up on money. I see them up on me, they want to kick her. I'm go over clock to I see them, I'm just showing her the receipt. I just $50 somebody sorry for me and send me. Right, $50. I'm going to restaurant, you know, and see them $7,750. Out of this, I buy one kettle. See them, I just buy one kettle. See them? I buy one little kettle. I one kettle, I got $1,600 for this and this now. I'm going to buy one sheet. Right? I'm a sheet that's at $1,600. Check that, you understand? I'm setting up on pay, I'm going to buy that little paint something. $3,750. I'm at 4,000 at the box and I go use to go pay for maybe lunch money. And this boy, you know, see me out anywhere, and the boy got tell me, say, I lock him and lock me back. And nobody no do nothing at all. The people no do nothing at all. Them just sit down and watch the boy just walk away.
Yeah, man, these are the things when we say, boy, oh boy, Jamaican people like, me not like seeing these stories. The lady definitely detailed that she did just get some money because somebody feels sorry for her and send her $50 at Western Union, and she take the little money and say, okay, make one little errands and buy one and two little things them, and while in Half a Tree, somebody come now and basically a bother her but tell her, say, our bag need for lock. And if you know them little style there, they may ask you like, what your name, what time you have on your watch. But really and truly, they might look in your eye and make you know, so you're being robbed in real time. And the woman said people walk by, nobody never assist her, and they knew what was unfolded. And it bring her to tears. Because $4,000 for your average person, like that could have been lunch money for a couple of days. You get me for her child. And a stories like this, man, it's just like, boy, but like, you know, I wish we could have like get our, we can probably find our contact and so I can actually go on, man, because it's stories like this that really just kind of hit at your heartstrings, man. And for them thief, yeah, but hope you get up this morning and you, yeah, man, God know my heart. All right, that is it. Number 8, Sterling Awards. Me praise and worship. Whoa! All right, burritos. So, you know, over the weekend, I had the pleasure of, you know, passing through the Sterling Awards. Now, it's their 8th year. And so I showed up. Them they have a theme, but we never remember it. But the theme was like kind of Bridgerton, like Titanic. It was like giving you Queen of England kings, you know, royalty, them type of them time there. And we never really get the memo, but we show up there and they look clean. Take a look, yeah, man. You remember, they clean up there, man.
One of the
Sterling 8, 2024, right? And so I'm here with the, what do you call this now? EP of the year. Yes. You won EP of the year this year. And so I'm sure you're feeling very elated, over the moon.
Yes, very much so.
And so I was not really sure what to expect. But all of the majority of the attendees actually, you know, were a part of they did the theme, right? And so that was quite a sight to behold. And me not really want to sound a little weird, but me never think say a church event could have been that fun. Like that actually fun for me. And I left there feeling in better spirits. Like it was actually a good time, you know, and such a loving community and just like the outpouring of support. It actually made me feel it. I was just like, whoa, this was a very different way to spend my Saturday night. And I really liked it. And I was able to secure some interviews. You can go check out little bits and pieces. I'll be posting it on the DuttyBerry's channel sometime throughout the week. And it was just such a really amazing night. And so I forgot to say, like, you know, Junior Tucker did it, Sheffield Franklin, they both got awarded. You know, Sherwin Gardner, all the way from Bahamas, he came there and tore the house down with his performance with John Mark Wigan. And I'm just like, nah, man, I might have to start that church more often because I felt very, very good and very blessed, okay? That's all I'd have to say. And so, Berritos, just know, say, if I Sterling turn 9 next year, I will have to be there, okay? And my heel back. All right, that is it, man. Oh, jeez, big up Basilia and the team, man, because she gave me the invite, so I forgot big her up as well. Number 7, Fry Irish Vert. Whoa, look how me I talk about God a while ago in the church, and you see the devil. Oh my, the enemy. The enemy wanted me to say something a while ago, but nope, just turn it back. Fry Irish versus Prince Saj. Okay, no, so if you don't know, let me just go tell you this. Like, you know, recently there has been a lot of criticism that has been facing a Christian dancehall DJ artist, let me just say that now, by the name of Prince Saj, right? And so he has been, you know, using DJing to spread the word of God. And I don't think that type of ministry has been accepted by quite a number of people. This includes Fry Irish. Now, if you don't know Fry Irish, he used to dominate the comedic online space, right, on YouTube, and now he has gone into Christendom and has become a minister of sorts, right? And so upon, I guess, hearing Prince Saj's music, him never like it, him not like it one bit, and him decide to go on the media to go and publicly make everybody know that this type of thing is not of the Lord. Take a listen.
This young man is my nephew. I love this young man. And y'all don't understand what is going on. Your desire, mighty God, uno come out of world and come back in and come in a Christianity. Uno know dancehall. Uno know reggae. Out there no know it from. It is not in Christendom. Uno take it from out there and carry in a church and expect God to receive it. Listen, man, let me let you understand something. This young man that you see here, wonderful young man, but he has been threatened by the devil. And he can attest to it. He can say it to you. He was threatened. The young man came and lived with me in my house. Mighty God. And the young man was singing his song. He was singing the song that God gave him to sing. And the young man come and said, the devil threatened him that he will take away his vice box. And my family and I, we prayed for this young man and said nothing can go so. But the more fear crippled that young man, he wrote a song that the devil pleased with.
Oh, okay. And apparently they must relate it, and I'm like, Jesus P, man, only one celebrity in the family. Only one celebrity in the family. I'm my boss. But I caught up with Prince Saj and I asked him about the matter, and you know, he has shared, she told me this.
Now, I know that many persons have seen this video and you may be wondering what's going on. Well, I'm here to say something. Since as you say that I can attest to what you're saying, I can say it. Now, I'm going to share something. I remember I was talking to you and I was talking about the ministry in which God wanted to bring forth out of me. This that is happening now, that is what I was talking about. I wasn't talking about no one song. That is a lie. You're saying that God gave me a song and because I sang that song, the devil said he was going to take away my voice and I diverted from doing the work of God. That is a lie from the pit of hell. I wasn't talking about no one song. I told you that I had a dream and in that dream I saw myself coughing up blood and my vocal cords were coming up. And I said to you that I understand that it is the enemy who wants to stop what God wants to do. Because God has placed in me a gift and he wants me to utilize it for his glory. That is what I said to you. And you come on the internet and you try to paint certain narrative to try and twist certain things. You add what you want and you say what you want and you twist what you want to try to paint that narrative to make me seem like a bad person. Then you're going to say that you love me? No. You don't love no one but yourself and it's just the truth.
And so, you know, honestly, I'm going to do a video about it and I'm going to try to explore both sides of the story. I will say this though, I think that the way how people minister and the way how people reach out to the different age groups and stuff has always evolved. Christianity, ministering, pastoring, it has always evolved, and so we're in another part of that movement. And usually human beings don't like change. And so you can't expect that there is going to be any sort of change without people literally condemning it. I just hope, say, as long as you know that you're doing it for the God that you serve, that is enough motivation. And so let's just see where this lies. But Berrydos, let me know, where do you stand on this, like, DJ gospel versus the traditional, like, is it off God, is it not, sound off below? Number 6, Tavii, skit. All right, me curse word. All right, now, boy, why? Look where me come from the topic right to this now. So Knxg Tavii recently put up a video that focus on the history of the word cloth of blood. You know, just switch it around the other, side. So it's not, you know, says cloth de blood. Oh, you say that in a Spanish. Could be you said it in Spanish. Anyway, but the camera go over that now. So Knxg Tavii, he's a social media content creator. He's been doing this thing for years. And so he put this video together with the likes of several other social media comedians. So yeah, man, so Tavii did this video with the likes of other social media content creators such as Kevin Too Crazy. You have Lando. Lando was there as well, and several other familiar faces in the industry. And so that definitely showed teamwork made the dream work. But basically, he just brought you back to when did the word B-clot start to go into operation? And so it was quite a novel and a very, you know, genius idea. Take a look.
Master, what you do?
How you see me I do, Master Jasper?
Man, move your dirty bum, me girl pussy. Your dirty bum, you not even wash out good.
I hear pussy, man.
And me put up that for me woman hang out her pussy them.
So we blood upon there.
Man, and my pussy line and me can't put up any amount of blood you want put up there.
Man, you see period? How you do with that blood?
Oh yeah, me I say, me ain't no bum argument with you. What you just say?
Me really know what me just say.
Say it again. Say what you just say. Say it.
How you do with that blood clot?
Me no bumbo clot argument with you.
Over no pussy clot line. Blood. Pussy. Bumbo.
Well, let me just go tell you this, like, you see, if you don't like your expletives, do not watch this surface. All of the people who were at the Sterling Awards, do not watch this video. This video is going to make you go up on your knee and have to go and pray because, yeah, man, or if you're going to watch it, you have to sneak, you have to go put in like an earphone and watch it, but you can't watch a video on speaker box if you're, you know, they look at expletives and did a runway, okay? All right, but yeah, man, so big up the team and big up Knxg Tavii. Like, honestly, now, like, I just think to the brother there, if certain things were just stable in his life and stuff, like, the sky would have be the limit for him. And so we're still going to wish him continued success. And Tavii, keep creating and keep innovating because that is exactly what you are, an innovator. All right? Number 5. Number 5, Jaii 450 shoot. All right, burritos know, so let me tell you, the social media personality, Jaii, you know. Jaii is not only just like walking up and down with Bella, he has been, you know, venturing off into his own solo pursuits, including a recent appearance and acting debut in 450's latest music video, where he was the, what do you call the person, the officiating minister over the wedding ceremony. Yeah, man, take a look.
The Lord said, since this man has become like one of us, knowing good and evil, he must be reached out to take form like the tree of life and eat the love and goodness of the earth. Do you, Annette, take this man to be your lawful husband in sick and death forever?
Girl, it's every day. I fuck a boy, girl, on a Wednesday. Burn down to uptown and from a place. Every girl of mine. DHW.
Yeah, man, oh my God, that is one Jaii, never few. Like, come on, man. Jaii is a natural. Like, the brother, me not even believe say he was given a script. The brother doesn't know off with us. Talk off of the top of my head extemporaneously. You know my word, you know, I'm not stop rinse it, okay? So just say it together with me. Extemporaneously. That's when you're able to just like freestyle talk off of your head top. You know, if you have follow the constraints of a script. Okay, but he does make sure it's gonna use it. All right, that's it. All right, no, so yeah, man, and so, you know, honestly, me just really feel proud of Jaii, and hopefully he's actually saving the money and like making use of the opportunities, because like what the girl pan the reality show did say, do you know you have 30 minutes? Yeah, man, because the social media streets, them love you today, and by tomorrow morning, them tell you say you can't find nothing new. You can't move on, them run gone with somebody else's name. So I just hope that you're just acknowledging and making the most of this moment and take the love while you get it. But at the back of your mind, just know that the love here for most people is very temporary. So not really make it consume you. Just accept it and accept the season for what it is, Jaii. Okay? All right. That is it, man. Big up yourself, man. It's a good look. At 450, you're very smart. Jaii ambassador too. Yeah, man. You don't know what time it is.
Now, here is this week's Red.
Ramesh speaks out. Me? Why am I going to say Shenseea? Jesus Christ. Shenseea. All right, jiggled. All right, why am I going to sing the song out of all Shenseea sang them? Jesus Christ. Anyway, so Ramesh Entertainment, boy, Ramesh put out one piece of speech, you know, man. The man put out one speech on the media the other day. Yes, man. And it has to relate, and it pertains to the type of people that Ramesh is open to interacting with, reasoning with, sharing space with, and working alongside. And so he's been on TikTok, and Ramesh is a person who he will play a match and interact with each and everyone from all type of walks of life. But this has not gone by without scrutiny. And so many people are just like talking about why he would have entertained conversation with the transmissions, you know, and that's what Jamaicans refer to as people who are transgender, right? And so are people that are from different sexual, you know, orientations in. And so Ramesh decided to address everything in one go. Take a listen.
I'm a customer like a nastiness. Listen to me. I say me. Men are business if nobody over your company live are gear, transmission, or straight. Everybody are human being. I them pick them choice. I'm not scar nobody. I'm not discriminate nobody. My mother not grow me so. And my father not grow me so. I'm not no pussy and no boy can't tell me nothing. I respect everybody. If me don't like somebody living, me not run up in them and me not go around them. But with the on an app that is for the public, and if I go over there and see them, or them come and join that, I mean so if I run them and diss them. Because enough of them chat up on the mouth, when they on the app and watch enough of them, when they watch movie and see them, when they go show and see them, when they go stage show and go watch them, when they do everything. So a lot of people them. Me not run, me not come off and not play a game with the people them. I might not chat up to them on a level, but me still play with them. I not the business about them.
Yeah, man. And so basically, essentially, Ramesh is just saying, say, yo, listen, he's a person who's all about the business, and the way he was brought up is to just respect each and every one as long as them respect him. Okay? And so, him do the Hype School musical song, we're all in this together. You in your small corner and I in mine. That we can live in one harmony. As long as you don't affect me, don't harm me, I won't harm you. And so, you know, that's how he was brought up. And I do hope that Jamaican people get to the point where them fully understand, say, it is literally okay for you not to like hanging around with people who come from Montego Bay. But it don't mean saying if you go kill up yourself if you know other people who don't have a problem with people from Montego Bay. That is just you, okay? And things are outside of you. You don't need fear act up yourself for blood pressure. Like we're all raised differently. We grew up on different type of value systems, and I just saw it go. So, okay. Okay, all right, that is it. But Berrydos, let me know what you thought of Ramesh's comments. Sound off below. Number 3, Rich Crash Me. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Oh my God, no man. Berrydos now like on the air when Jaden did talk about skate on the toll. I think if there is something about skating, this is what them people did do. But this did not involve, praise be to God, this did not involve one Mark X. Oh my God. Can we give a round of applause? This crash never involved a Jamaican taxi. Oh my God. Big up Kelly Clarkson at a moment like this. You know, normally see them something here in Jamaica. You mean a crash happened and there was not a Mark X? And it wasn't, you never have one Jamaican robot taxi in there, the red plate? Wow. But guess who it involved? The people them will normally come down in them type of cas, the rich vehicle them, the rich car them, and it was all of them together, so it made perfect sense. Okay? Yeah, man. So let me just come tell you though, so they were on the, what you call it, the toll, like you got Ochi. I think they were coming back, right? They were going. Them got Ochi now, and they must have reached the toll booth now, where it looked like the way them did that skate, never realized that them they were buck up on the actual booth, like the booth was around the corner. And so people did go line up now, and they could not shadow the brakes in time. And so what happened? One big piece of excitement collision, including a vehicle like one Porsche, there was a Tesla, there was a BMW, there was a what else? A Benz. There was a Benz. And any other car with it involved now, me just know say money in car. So right now, I'm like, boy, insurance, we're soaring, fly. Yeah, man, insurance at the age of Jamaica matter. Yeah, man, that's it reach right now, soaring to new heights. Mighty gosh. Oh, Lord. And so, of course, Jamaican people came on the scene now and decided to do their own interview. But I don't think none of us did prepared to find out that one of the on-the-ground correspondents would have been a woman by the name of Bacchus. Take a look.
Do we have to...
Bobby, mingle let them through the middle we come. I'm gonna follow behind you.
People are not care them good now.
No, we don't get touched. We unite.
No man, like honestly man, like me not lie no. Me hear the name Bacchus, me never know what me they go expect. Me don't know if many things that there gonna be one big woman hot girl, but Jesus P man, like Bacchus. No man, Bacchus, you know, like Jesus P, you know, Kirk Wright, you better make sure say you sort out your job, you know. Because you can't make Bacchus for come take over the TV. Can you imagine? Backers come put Kirk out of business, Jesus P, man. But like, it was very, I guess, nice to see like the different perspectives. And I'm really hoping that this would be a teachable moment for many Jamaican people. Like this is road fatalities is not something that is limited to just the poor people and the middle class. It also has to do with the wealthy. Like we can't just go on reckless on the roads. And if you want to go speed, so you have to at least know when I told about time. If you go and say you're supposed to know when you need to actually start for shadow the brakes, okay? Little of the sense right up here, so in the cranium. And so there was also another story where one man come from some place, one bar, must have drunk and ended up on his bicycle, and he actually must have turn over and drop in a one pothole and drowned. Because the pothole is so deep and wide that it actually end up the water, your boy go take over his nostrils. And that is how the man met him end. Like, come on, Jamaica, man. This is just so bizarre. So, when I want thing, just be careful on the roads. And government, we have to do something about the patrol them now. Because look where it reach now. Look where it reach now. I mean, I tell you, man. By next week, just watch and see if the patrol now go clear up on all of the patrol them in the residing area. But, yeah, man, we don't need to wait until when we have, like, moments of catastrophe to be proactive. Okay? Yeah, man. I mean, I thought something you used to use by your face to get rid of acne. Yeah, man, if you know, you know. If you know, you're so old. Jason P. Remember them proactive commercial, eh? Jaja. Number 2, walk and talk denied. Oh, wow. All right. Me guys up. All right, burritos know. So, if you have been living under a rock, you might not have remembered that Walk and Talk and the Gaza Boss Vibes Cartel linked up and they discussed a possible appearance on the show on his YouTube podcast, right? And so I was just left there like, boy, I look forward to seeing it. But after that, Mr. Cartel do interview with Keisha Cure and a couple other people, him they all over the place, Sean Sam TV. I mean, I like, wait, is Walk and Talk actually going to get this interview, or was just a talking thing? And so moments after, I saw this video now from Boom Boom, where Boom Boom said, because of some of Walk and Talk's earlier comments, there will no longer be a Cartel interview. Take a look.
Them say cock more kill cock. Go here, check this stock buildings. Cartel never give Walk and Talk for an interview. And in the interview I know, when me a teacher reason, Cartel say, oh, you know, say the platform Walk and Talk in the pan. I even watch the platform, and him and the boss, I say, we come back and roll. They can't go around the place, carry your artist them back. And I say, boy, teacher. What is saying?
Oh, God, man, when me hear this, from Boom Boom, I say, no, man, one, Boom Boom clearly is Cartel's spokesperson, like when you have press conference for like what you call it, the Prime Minister and the President, like a Boom Boom and the correspondent will deal with the media. Okay, the press secretary. Press release, that those are press releases. Thank you to mystery person in the background. All right. So yeah, man. So I was just like, no, man, this looks like it's serious. And it's because Walk and Talk, when he had the podcast with Jaii Frais, the Let's Be Honest podcast, he might have shared that even though thinks the Cartel is going to be able to actually grab the crowd musically when he, returns to the streets. Things like Cartel music are really hit back like how it used to hit back in the 2010s. And so, Boom Boom basically make it sound like the Cartel never like the thought there, and that this podcast might not actually happen. But it looked like things have changed, and maybe that was not really the real thing. And we know when people are drinking and go up on stage, sometimes they start kind of things to kind of catch the crowd. We don't know if that was possibly it. But listen to this voice note that I guess, ease our fears.
Yeah, man, I get him interview, man. That is a must, man. I just show the teacher kind of busy, man. But I get it, man. I believe I go down one day and next week him get it. Okay, so it looked like the interview is going to happen. It's just a matter of when. Okay, so Burritos, this would be quite a win for Walk and Talk, man, because boy, oh boy, forget this interview.
Yeah, man, it is going to be a do this and beat me type of settings. And it will be big for him leaving from Jaii Frais. But I think Jaii Frais care because Jaii Frais is also doing for him own version of do this and beat me, beating and teaching when it comes down to his house, which will be in the next topic. Someone else left that right there. So let me know you want Walk and Talk to get this Cartel interview. Sound off below. Walk and Talk. Prepare. Okay? Prepare. And number one goes to Jaii Frais, $1 million house. Wow! Wow! Whoa! 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 Oh my God! Oh my God! The dinero. Oh God! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number one goes to Jaii Frais. No, Jaii Frais, man. Jaii Frais. Like once again, let me just go tell you this. When I used to see Jaii Frais, I said Jaii Frais is arrogant. Some people might say Jaii Frais is a car key. You know, some people will believe that Jaii Frais is just a show-off. He's obnoxious. All of these different things. But I said, listen, he is not. He is just a KC old boy. Like that's all. He's just a KC old boy. Them can't help. Them can't help. Them no regular. Them don't know what it is to be mediocre. All when they're quiet, they're always going to be stunted in their own way. It is just the Kingston College way. Oh my God. And so, let me just go say this. You know, Jaii Frais, you know, he's been doing his podcast, a very successful podcast, you know, talking about toxic talk, as well as the Let's Be Honest podcast. And so, he has really built a fan base of being able to really know how to monetize triggering people, saying the things that he knows will get a reaction, and that eventually ends up really giving him a sort of clout that he don't necessarily need for ask for. It will just come because he understands the psyche of Jamaican people, and that Jamaican people are always looking for something to argue, to cuss, to have a conversation about, and he plays into that and does it exceedingly well. Okay, right? And so he's leaving the apartment that he recorded a lot of his Toxic Talk episodes, and people normally across the couch and the curtain. And so now he's moved into a new space that he shares that is somewhere up in a Stony Hill. $1 million also have 4-bedroom, how much bathroom, and it was the video. The little show-offness aside, because me I wonder if I Walk and Talk him really a throw the word pan, you know, but I think him just a throw the word pan all of the haters that when you can live like me, then you can talk to me. I can't really rang him for talking like that. You have to talk your shit sometime. If you're that type of content creator / influencer, film look a thing that, you get me? And so he showed off the place and the place looked good. I can only imagine like after a year when them get to fix up the things and buy the proper stuff them. And once again, just like with Tanaania, me like when people show us stuff because sometimes you need things to aspire to. Sometimes you need to realize that there are people who live differently and are living better than you. Give you something to like be like, boy, when I get to that level, I'd probably want something similar to this. Like you need to give people a reason to dream sometimes. Right? So whether or not you like him, whether or not you love him, you're supposed to be able to look and be like, you know what, at the end of the day, I like that you're showing me something different to what from what I'm presented with in Jamaican society on a day-to-day. And so, yeah man, the tour did go on. The tour did go on, but I want to follow up. The only thing I never like about the tour is that we put out the whole of the woman business and say and show all the things they meant by woman. Because next time now when me call Simone the outer road now and show her the shoes with the little swiney something come around it. Everybody I look on her foot like, yeah man, watch there. She in the Jaii Frais shoes. And then if you go break up now and she go make the mistake and go wear one of the slippers them or the bag them, the whole entire time then them I look on her like, yeah man, she still wear the shoes with the boy big hair. You get me? And that's the only little part me I say, boy, worse if she all find a new man now and in one of the bag them where Jaii Frais go buy her now, then the new boyfriend I look on her be like, a Jaii Frais, something still way around me? Yeah man, I look bad man, but I think that's why Jaii Frais do it. I think that's why Jaii Frais do it. I think that's why I do it. But be like, listen, you see all when if you left me still gonna live on. Me go in your closet. Me go dip on your foot. My mind dip on your mind. But me go in your wardrobe. Okay? Stamp and print. That is how you imprint Okay, Jaii Frais, so I see where y'all work, man. I see where y'all get to work, man. But anyway, burritos, let me know what you thought of the house and the tour. I enjoyed it. Sound off below if you would have loved for could I get something like this for your for yourself. Well, that's it, burritos. We've come to the end of another social media top 10 countdown. Make sure to say you know the usual, the like, the comments, the share, the subscribe. Yeah, man, tell a friend to tell a friend. Talk forward over to the Dutty Berry Show YouTube channel. Also, do not forget to follow me on all my social media platforms at Dutty Berry Show on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, or X all over. And once you have done so, if you know anybody or if you personally have a business and a product service that you want to be advertised, yeah man, reach out to me, bookings.duttyberryshow at gmail.com for all your advertising needs. Okay, yeah man, bookings.duttyberryshow at gmail.com. So take care until next time. Au revoir. Haha. Konnichiwa. Bombard. Au revoir. Konnichiwa. C'est soir. Oh, c'est soir. Voulez-vous? Alright, later. Jesus.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, uncover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me, I what happening all the week, yo, just tune in, scene.